Hey guys, how's it going? It's Money Manny with Htx Tv coming at you here on a Monday, and today we are gonna go over vaccine stocks and also cryptocurrency news. See what's going on with Bitcoin. Pretty sure I've seen some in a few of the comments. Some people are saying I'm even getting social media messages of people saying, how do I get started in investing? What should I invest with? Should I do stocks? Should I do cryptocurrency? Bitcoin? I hear about these vaccine stocks. Is it just a hoopla? Is it here to stay? What's going on? So, yeah, I appreciate some new subscribers on the weekend coming in. Thank you guys. And before we get started, if you are not subscribed, hit that red subscribe button. And here we go. So today, what I really wanted to go over is the vaccine stocks. Actually, at the end of the day, there's a pandemic going on. It just makes totally perfect sense. Exactly. They are going to make the vaccines and put them out there. And from there on, it's pretty much for worldwide, I believe so. And these companies are kind of all around. So. But first, I almost forgot. Actually, to lighten up the mood of everything, actually, I had a small clip of a little TikTok I did on the weekend. It was kind of funny for you bilingual Spanish speakers out there. Check it out right now.
Mexican.
Órale, güey, ¿qué quieres que te diga?
Colombian.
Yo, parce, ¿dónde vamos? ¿Y qué usted quiere? ¿Quieres una empanada? ¿Qué usted quiere?
Cuban.
¿Qué hola, papi? ¿A dónde vamos? Dime tú dónde vamos. Si quieres vamos para el carro, te voy por allá, por la víbora, que tú me digas.
Argentinian.
¿Qué, boludo? ¿Usted qué quiere? ¿Qué es lo que usted quiere, boludo? Eso para allá, yo te estoy diciendo.
Venezuelan.
Yo, chamo, eso es un peo por allá, que si yo no sé para dónde salió eso, pero no sé, pero eso es un peo por allá.
Okay, Dominican.
¿Qué es lo que, manito? ¿Qué es lo que vamos para allá? Si quieres, tú vamos para allá, para tu casa. Tú me das lo que tú quieras. Yo me tomo lo que tú me digas, sin problema.
Okay, PR.
Yo soy the best fucking R.
I think that's.
All right, cool. So, yeah, I did that. Took me a little bit to figure it out. Yes, I did use the sound of someone else, and it's kind of like a voiceover, lip sync kind of deal. I thought it was pretty cool and gave it a whirl. I thought it was pretty good for you Spanish speakers out there, people that understand Spanish, the different genres. I think they're saying that the guy that originally did it needed to work on the Venezuela persona a little bit better. Almost got it down. They're saying it kind of sounded more Colombian. So, but anyways, here's the vaccine stock. So right now what it's saying is everyone is talking about the large cap vaccine players, the big players like Pfizer, Moderna, and AstraZeneca. So due to the excellent efficiency of their candidates in phase 3 of the clinical trials, they're saying what investors may not realize is, however, is that the potential success of these companies' experimental vaccines is already reflected on their stock prices. There's arguably little money to be made in these stocks for investors new to the game. It may be more profitable if you turn your attention to emerging CV-19 vaccine drug makers. Okay, so they're saying maybe if you're new to the game, which I believe you can always make money, but they're saying that you might want to check to the drug makers such as CureVac, and that's spelled CUREVAC, and also Novavax, and NOVAVAX. It says, contrary to popular belief, these small caps have a high probability of advancing their experimental CV-19 vaccines to the. Yeah, how can a small investment of CureVac and Novavax turn into big winners? Let's find out. The case for CureVac is a Dutch biotech that has returned over 56% to investors since its initial public offering in August. The most promising candidate in its pipeline is its messenger RNA-based experimental CV-19 vaccine. In November, CureVac disclosed the patents who received in phase 1 developed strong neutralizing antibodies against the CV-19 as well as T-cell responses that could potentially protect them from the CV-19 long term. The experimental vaccine did have several serious adverse events post-dosage. These involved fatigue, headache, muscle pain, chills, and fever. All of these issues were resolved within 2 days. So if Pfizer and Moderna phase 1 trials serve as any indication, CureVac's candidate could be headed for a success in late-stage trials. Both Pfizer and Moderna's vaccine candidates attained at least 90% protection against circulating strains of the SARS, the CV-19, after introducing neutralizing antibody production T cells. So what they're saying is, right now could be a real good time to invest in them because they're not as big as the other vaccine stocks, the ones that I previously said. Yeah, so AstraZeneca and also Pfizer, they're not as big as those, so definitely want to check those out. I definitely would. And you guys that are really looking into getting into investing really soon, I recommend, and I do need to make a note to myself to reach out to them this week, see if they might, because I've been mentioning Robinhood app for a while now, and maybe they might be interested in sponsoring me. The reason why I recommend Robinhood is because I've actually seen people that have actually made money with it. People that have decent amounts of money, they've dabbled with it. They actually have a portfolios and have been somewhat successful with Robinhood. So definitely check out that app. I may have to eventually make a video this week, but I'll most likely probably will do one after I reach out to them. I got to remind myself, make a note, definitely send them some information, see if they might be interested in at least doing affiliate marketing with me. So, but anyways, back to the case for Novavax, the other smaller vaccine company. Here it says, like CureVac, Novavax is backed by the Gates Foundation and has rewarded investors handsomely this year. If you'd invested $1,000 in the stock last November, your investment would have grown to a whopping $25,000. So that's a very good point. $1,000 to $25,000, not too shabby. And as of December 2nd, this last week, even after a monstrosity rally, Novavax has still only reached an 8.06 billion market cap. And the run-up was mainly due to the ability to advance its protein-based CV-19 candidate in the phase 3 clinical studies. The investigation has enrolled to more than 60% of the necessary volunteers, with data readout like in the early 2021. So definitely check into those stocks. And now here on to cryptocurrency news. Alrighty. Enjoying some awesome beverage right there, some iced tea. So here it is. I'm going to go and give you some of the prices where everybody's at right now, lively right now. The few main base coins are kind of took a small dip. Bitcoin right now is priced at $19,091, and it's at a negative 0.77 decrease, but it's definitely holding at 19 grand. Ethereum right now is priced at $588, and that's at a negative 1.9% decrease in the red. Very small, but still is at a decrease. Litecoin is priced at $83.06. That's at a 0.16% in the green. And right now, of these few Bitcoin and altcoins, Litecoin is the few in the green right now. So could be a good buying point or trading point as well. XRP Ripple is at 60 cents. Right now is at a negative 2.9% decrease. Took a small dip. Bitcoin Cash is at 0.68% in the red. Not too bad. Right now it's traded at $283. and EOS is at $2.93, and that's right now at a negative 1.51% dip. Not too bad as well. Seems like most of these coins are holding pretty good. In my opinion, it seems like they're kind of like riding that Bitcoin wave, and Bitcoin's at 19 grand right now. A lot of people are saying it may hit. But the main question is, everybody's saying, will the Bitcoin price rally last this time? Because remember, 4 years ago in 2017, it went all the way over to 20 grand. And then within a month or a couple of weeks after that, it was like in December, same time of year, it boom went all the way back down within a few months. Slowly but surely went all the way, I think, to like under 3 grand, and then everybody just totally backed away from cryptocurrency. Everybody's, some people made money, some people lost money. Some people had to pay their mamas back. Who knows? Some people did it on credit, got in credit card debt, whatever. So, but here we are 4 years later. Pretty wild. Right around the same time, 4 years later, boom, it's catapulted. Not sure if it's depending on the scenarios. Now they're kind of partnered up with PayPal. So for you guys that are looking to really trade Bitcoin or cryptocurrency on a simpler platform, actually, now you can do it on PayPal. So definitely check that out. If you don't have a PayPal, definitely get one out. Get an account, check it out. I have a PayPal. I looked on it a couple days ago, and it's pretty simple. It's on there. You can trade it however you want. But like I said, this video is for entertainment purposes only. So whatever you do outside of this, you're definitely on your own. So let's get into the analysis of what they're saying about if Bitcoin's going to last or not this time. And then we will be out for the day. So here it says the quicksilver nature. Yep. So it says while analysis and commentators have stepped up with optimistic predictions, it is far from certain whether Bitcoin's price will continue to increase. It says $1 trillion target. The risky underpinnings of cryptocurrency markets will appeal to traders and investors in 2021, according to analysis from Bloomberg. A risk of off decline like the IQ could return Bitcoins towards the $10,000 support level in 2021, but we believe the path least resistant remains higher. An analysis wrote in simple words, investors will continue to embrace the risk and price volatility inherent in Bitcoin investing in 2021, which is upon us literally in a month, a little less than a month. Because right now it's December 7th, so 2020, and we were not that far from 2021. So Bloomberg analysis has predicted a price target for $50,000 for Bitcoin, implying a $1 trillion market cap for cryptocurrency. The site increased demand for the cryptocurrency, mainstream adoption and interest diminishes supply as Bitcoin reaches its 21 million supply target as reasons for their estimated price. So, wow. So they're saying that it's going to hit 50,000 here in the near future. So, funny thing too is I would say maybe a few months ago, people were saying Bitcoin is going to easily get back to 20 grand. And here it is. It's right now today. It's at a little over 19 grand. So they're saying, oh, it's a pump and dump. They're just, a lot of rich people are buying it and then they're going to sell it off and it's going to hit 20 grand and then drop again. Who knows? I don't think it's that way as well because of all the new companies that's partnered with, especially PayPal. So PayPal is definitely widely used. Here it says, it took NDX 14 years to rise above parabolic blow off top, then 6 years to rise a further 150%. Bitcoin appears poised to exceed. So they're saying, should Bitcoin speed of ascent keep pace with the past 3 years and the degree of the rally approximate that NDX 50,000 per Bitcoin is a reasonable year-end 2021 price target? Who knows? It would take a lot for it to get to that point. I'm thinking it'd be nice if it just got a little over 20 grand, in the next 3 weeks. So, but last but not least, this last part of the article, it says, a new future or false rally redux. Momentum can be a powerful price propellant. The actions of a single investor can induce others who don't know any better to follow them in the trade. The price target predictions for Bitcoin bringing back memories of 2017 when equality ambitions and in some other cases are outlandish. Predictions were made for Bitcoin's future back then. The cryptocurrency's astronomical prices fell as quickly as they've risen, just like I said earlier. But the conditions were different, which is very true. Asian investors and retail traders were reported to have driven Bitcoin's previous price increases that quickly moved in and out. And basically what I was saying, they call that like a pump and dump. Everybody invests, and then, once it hits a certain point, everybody gets out and sells. And it's kind of like they're an organized way to make money. I guess that's what they call it. Drive up the price. So, but they're saying now, partnering with these companies like PayPal, it definitely looks pretty legit this time. But for the future holds, all we can see is day-to-day experiences, checking the prices. So, and I'm definitely gonna be looking at that for you guys here in the near future. But appreciate you guys. That's all I got for you guys today. Love you guys. Don't forget to smash that like button to help out the YouTube algorithm. All right, guys. Talk to you later. It's Money Manny with Htx Tv. Y'all have a good one.